after I went down to West Kingston yesterday and met with the divisional head and also the divisional head for Kingston Central to get a better appreciation myself of what was happening and what are the possible outcomes of that killing. When they had that one, immediately there was a response in about 15 minutes where the gangs killed some people up in West Street. I visited both locations and had interacted with the citizens there. And immediately we put in a response to separate these criminal gangs using our other assets that are not assigned there, but we use them in a more fluid way to interrupt this sort of thing. So we're also after some very specific people. We have a good sense of who did the shooting, and I know the team down in Kingston West is after them with some targeted operations, and we should see that start to wind down.